Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am making this crispy, healthy, super satisfying paneer quinoa sweet potato bombs. They are packed with a protein full of flavor and perfect as a snack. Trust me, let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of boiling quinoa. Make sure your quinoa is nicely cooked and slightly cool. Next, add 1 mashed sweet potato. This gives a natural sweetness and also helps create that soft creamy texture. Now for the protein element, add 120 grams of a paneer, either grated or mashed. Now let's build the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of a chili paste for a little heat, 2 teaspoon of a garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of a ginger paste. For the spices, 1 teaspoon of a chili powder or paprika. For color and a mild heat, add half teaspoon of a garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of a cumin powder. Add salt to taste. Now squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. I am using 1 lemon juice. This really brightens up all the flavors. Add a handful of freshly chopped cilantro. To bind everything together, add 1/3 cup of a chickpea flour. This helps absorb moisture and give structure. Drizzle in 2 teaspoons of oil. Now mix everything really well. Take your time here. You want everything to come together into a soft dough-like mixture. If it feels too sticky, you can also add little more chickpea flour at this stage. I like to add a little bit of a cheese inside for that melty surprise. I am keeping it light, but you can definitely add more if you want it extra cheesy and crispy. Now let's prepare the coating. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of a chickpea flour. Add 4 tablespoons of water. Add a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of a red chili powder and mix until you get a smooth slurry. This will help the breadcrumbs stick perfectly. Now take a small portion of the mixture. Now lightly grease your air fryer basket. Now take a small portion of the mixture, shape them into medium-sized balls. Press gently so they hold their shape. Now comes the double coating. This is the key to getting that crispy texture. First roll the balls in a breadcrumbs. Then dip into the chickpea slurry and coat them again in a breadcrumbs. This double coating creates that beautiful golden crust when air fried. Now preheat or lightly grease your air fry basket like I said before. Place the bombs inside, leaving a little space in between. Brush or spray a little oil on top. This helps them crisp up evenly. Now air fry on the crispy setting at around 375 Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, flipping them halfway. As they cook, you will see them turn golden brown and crispy on the outside while staying soft and flavorful inside. Once done, take them out carefully. Look at that texture. Perfectly crisp outside and soft inside. Serve them hot with a hummus or yogurt garlic dip. You can also sprinkle a little extra cilantro on top. These are honestly perfect for parties, evening snacks or even meal prep. They are healthy, high protein and so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes just like this. And let me know in the comments, would you make this cheesy or keep them light?